First one, suppose we are debugging a quicksort implementation that is supposed to sort an array in ascending order. After the first participation step has been completed, the contents of the array are in the following order: 3, 9, 1, 18, 19, 24, 22, 20. Which of the following statements is correct about the partition step? Option A, the pivot could have been 18 but could not have been 19. Option B, the pivot could have been 19 but could not have been 18. Option C, the pivot could have been either 18 or 19. Option D, neither 18 nor 19 could have been the pivot. Answer option C, the pivot could have been either 18 or 19, because 18 and 19 both are at their correct positions. Also, all elements on left of 18 and 19 are smaller than 18 and 19, and on right are greater than 18 and 19. That is the reason behind this answer. Second question, consider the following sequence of operations on an empty stack. Push 54, function braceൻ്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ 54, push 52, then pop function, push 55, push 62, then s equal to pop function. And considering the following sequence of operations on an empty queue: nq21, nq24, then dq function, nq28, nq32, then q equal to dq function. The value s plus q അതാണ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ 86, ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി 68, ഓപ്ഷൻ സി 24, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി 46. ആൻസർ ഈസ് 86, ബിക്കോസ് സ്റ്റാക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഔട്ട് ഡാറ്റ സ്ട്രക്ചറാണ്. സോ എസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു പോപ്പ് ഫങ്ഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ അതിൽ 62 ആണ് ഫസ്റ്റ്, ലാസ്റ്റ് ഇൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഔട്ട് ആണല്ലോ. ആൻഡ് ക്യൂ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഫസ്റ്റ് ഇൻ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഔട്ട് ഡാറ്റ സ്ട്രക്ചറാണ്. സോ ക്യൂ ഈക്വൽ ടു ഡി ക്യൂ ഫങ്ഷൻ ഈക്വൽ ടു 24 ആണ് വരുന്നത്. ബിക്കോസ് nq21, nq24, ദെൻ ഡി ക്യൂ ഫങ്ഷൻ വരുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അവിടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് വരുന്ന വാല്യൂ 24 ആയിരിക്കും. സോ എസ് പ്ലസ് ക്യൂ ഈക്വൽ ടു 62 പ്ലസ് 24 ഈക്വൽ ടു 86. Next one, remote procedure calls are used for. Option A, communication between two processes remotely different from each other on the same system. Option B, communication between two processes on the same system. Option C, communication between two processes on separate system. Option D, none of the above. The answer is option D, none of the above, because remote procedure calls protocols is used to communicate between processes on different workstations. Next question, the hardware implementation which provides mutual exclusion is: option A, semaphores, option B, test and set instruction, option C, both options, option D, none of the options. Answer is option B, test and set instructions. Next question, given two tables, employee ബ്രേസസിൽ EID, e-name, dep number, and the next one department, അത് ബ്രേസിനുള്ളിൽ dep number, dep name. Find the most appropriate statement of the given query. And the query is the select count of star total from employee, where dep number in of D1 D2 grouped by dep number having count of star greater than 5. Option A, total number of employees in each department D1 and D2. Option B, total number of employees of department D1 and D2 if their total is greater than 5. Option C, display total number of employees in both departments D1 and D2. Option D, the output of the query must have at least 2 rows. Answer is Option B, total number of employees of department D1 and D2 if their total is greater than 5. Because given query group by distinct depth number on the employee relation having rows with same depth number are greater than 5, and it also further filters only department D1 and D2 using IN function query. And the next question is, a set of one or more attributes which uniquely identify tuples within a relation is called. Option A, candidate key. Option B, foreign key. Option C, primary key. Option D, composite key. And the answer is option C, primary key.